mystery behind fried tilapia fish. Opening. Today, we're going to reveal all the secrets of fried tilapia, from its mysterious color to its health benefits. Believe it or not, behind the plate of fried tilapia we eat every day, there's actually some incredible science hidden. Why is the outside of the fish yellow, but when you cut it open, the inside is still white? Why, when viewed under a microscope, does the flesh of this fish look shiny like pearls as it does now? And most importantly, is it safe to eat fried tilapia every day? So this video will be fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the interesting parts. Segment 1. The mystery of yellow and white. Imagine frying tilapia. Once cooked, it's a beautiful golden yellow. But when you cut it open with a spoon or fork, the inside is pure white. How is that possible? This is what's called a temperature gradient phenomenon. Here's the scientific explanation. When the fish is plunged into hot oil, the temperature of the oil can reach 160 to 180 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot, right? Now, the surface of the fish that comes into direct contact with the hot oil immediately reacts. This is what's called the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and protein and reducing sugars. This reaction requires high heat. The result? A beautiful golden brown color and a savory aroma that will make you drool. But what about the inside of the fish? The inside temperature is much lower. The heat travels slowly from the outside in, and a process called protein denaturation occurs. The protein in the fish flesh is actually clear before cooking, but once exposed to heat, the protein coagulates and turns white. Segment 2. The shiny microscopic world. Now let's take another look. Why does tilapia fish meat look shiny white when viewed under a microscope? The answer lies in the structure of the fish's muscle fibers. Each muscle fiber is wrapped in connective tissue called collagen. This collagen is transparent or translucent. Furthermore, between the muscle fibers, there are still remnants of trapped water. The microscope light hits the muscle fibers, hits the collagen, and hits the water. The result? Light is reflected in various directions. This is what creates the shiny effect. Segment 3. The mysterious brown and yellow color. Okay, still under the microscope. If we look more closely, some are light brown to translucent, some are dark brown, and some are golden yellow. Well, there's a scientific reason for this, too. The first is light brown to translucent. This color usually appears in areas that are just beginning to cook. The protein is just starting to coagulate, but there's still a lot of water content. The second is dark brown. This color indicates areas that are fully cooked. Here, the water has almost evaporated, and the cooking oil has begun to penetrate into the spaces between the muscle fibers. The third is golden yellow. The brownish pigment produced by the reaction between protein and sugar is what we visually see as golden yellow. But there's something else that makes this color even more beautiful: turmeric. Well, turmeric contains a pigment called curcumin. Curcumin is heat resistant, which is why when fried, the color becomes brighter. Segment 4. Who is fast, he gets the oil. Does tilapia meat absorb oil quickly? The answer is yes, relatively quickly. But this depends on the cooking method. Why does tilapia fish absorb oil so easily? First, its meat is soft and not too dense. Second, the fish's skin is thin. Segment 5. Treasure inside tilapia meat. In 100 grams of fried tilapia, there are 416 calories of energy, 46.9 grams of protein, 23.9 grams of fat, 346 milligrams of calcium, 654 milligrams of phosphorus, and 278.9 milligrams of potassium. But what makes it special is that tilapia also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin B12, niacin, and selenium. And the good news is that tilapia is a fish with low mercury levels, so it is relatively safe for children and pregnant women. Segment 6. Benefits our body get. Namely helping to build and repair muscle tissue, good for the heart, for bone health, strengthening the immune system, and for brain development. Segment 7. The dark side behind the deliciousness. Triggers inflammation, plaque buildup in blood vessels, and ultimately increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Segment 8. Who should be careful? The answer is there are no absolute prohibitions, but there are several conditions that must be careful. Namely, people with chronic kidney disease, people with high cholesterol and heart disease, people with gout, and people with fish allergies. Segment 9. Conclusion and closing. Well, that's it, folks. Our journey to unravel the mystery of fried tilapia. From simple questions you might never have thought about, to complex science, and finally, to its health implications. If you like videos like this, which combine science with everyday life, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Also, comment below, what other foods would you like to see explained scientifically? Maybe chili sauce, or meatballs, or even fried rice. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next microscopic adventure video. Happy science, and I hope we can meet again, and even more. Keep learning and always stay curious.